What? Is that really a Taco Bell in New York? Wow, that's seriously the first Taco Bell I have seen in over a week. Cool. Too bad it's 7:30 in the morning. I don't think I want a taco right now.
She's Lola. She's lost on land again. They lost my friend. Lost on land again.
Alright, well, it looks like I have landed at 4 Mile Creek Campground. It's right on Lake Ontario, not far from Niagara Falls. I'm not sure why I decided to do this, but I did. So the first campsite the guy rented me is just so muddy that if I would have backed in there, I'd been calling a tow truck. So I went back and regrouped and picked one that wasn't quite so muddy. Yep, there's the lake. You gonna stop, buddy? Yeah. I did not get a site right on the lake because I did not want to catch that wind. Sure is pretty though, huh? Alright, I'm gonna go see about a shower. Is it snowing? No, it's not snowing, but it sure looks like it. It's a little chilly here on Lake Ontario. So I made it to Niagara Falls. How cool. So I'm staying at Four Mile Creek Campground, and with your campground pass you get into this $10 parking area for free. So that's cool. Alright, I'm gonna find a parking spot and get out and explore a little bit. This is cool. So I'm sitting here in my van getting my stuff together, and I'm like, it feels like my van's still running, and I know it's not. It's kind of shaking a little bit. It's from the waterfall. It's that intense. That's kind of crazy. Alright, thought I'd share that. How strange. Or maybe I've just never noticed this before. But look, the dandelions are all like closing up. Can you see that? The sun's going down and they're all closing up. They were all bright-eyed and bushy-tailed when I got here. I'm starting to think the dandelion is the New York state flower or something. closing out another very fun day. I had a great time hanging out at Niagara Falls, and it's kind of fun camping here on Lake Ontario. It's definitely something I've never done before. It is chilly though. That wind is blowing about 19 miles an hour, it says, off that lake, and it makes it feel cold. So I'm getting a campfire going. I feel like I'm in the snow. I'm under this white tree, and so every time the gusts blow, the white petals fall. It's really kind of cool, guys. So, yep, only a few more days left on this trip, but I'm looking forward to them. I have a few more fun things planned, so thanks for hanging out with me. Thanks for coming along on the ride. I really appreciate it. Y'all stay lost, my friends. And just like that, the wind dies down, and it's a beautiful evening. Check out that sunset. So stellar.